Hey guys, Lloyd here again from iGen Entrepreneur. So this top tip is a bit of a bonus one. I said I was going to do 7. This will probably mean we're going to do 8. And it's kind of something I forgot until I was doing the last one and I just remembered. So it's a good enough tip to be its own tip, if that makes sense. Basically, top tip number 4 is your UPS driver. So in terms of your UPS driver, there's 2 things to this. At this stage, I'm running most of my business through a prep center. I still do some wholesale prep. I still have the odd bit of retail arbitrage and stuff like that if I'm out and about. So I have a small unit in just place where I'm close to where I am. The reason I mention your UPS driver is 2 reasons. First one, if you are doing anything on Amazon, you want to treat your UPS driver well. Why? Because these items are items not only that you've spent time sourcing, not only time spent packaging them up, but you've also spent your money on these items. You want these items to be looked after properly. Okay? UPS drivers, same as everyone else, they've got targets, so on and so forth, they're under pressure. So if you want your items to be looked after properly, look after them. I've been lucky enough to have 2 absolute stars of UPS drivers. I'm based in Northern Ireland, as I said. This may or may not be the case for everyone, in that you'll get a regular UPS driver. Whether or not you get a regular one, you want to make their lives and your life easier. So get to know them, get chatting to them, because if you get chatting to them, they'll look after you. Things like they'll come and collect things that are you potentially found and not had time to book in, that type of stuff. Second big reason that comes back to wholesale, if you're on good enough terms with your UPS driver, he'll tell you about the suppliers that he's picking up from, what they're doing, and you can actually get some contacts. There was one point where I was having the crack and speaking with my UPS driver, and I jumped in the back of the van and looked at kind of the suppliers and where they were from. And now picked up a couple of contacts, and one of them placed an order with, haven't done so again, but it's still a lead. So I would just be conscious with your UPS driver for those 2 reasons. That's top tip number 4. Treat your UPS driver well, and potentially you can pick up a wholesale lead from them. So thanks guys, over and out. See you top tip 5.